Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all would have enjoyed your Ganpati vacations. Now let's get back to our studies. Students, do you remember we studied lesson number 2, subject and predicate from our grammar book. So students, I hope you would have revised. In the video you saw what is a sentence. A sentence is made up of two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is a word or a phrase in a sentence that shows who or what does the action. Understood students? And the predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. And always keep in mind the predicate always contains the verb. So students, now let's go through the exercise. So students, can you see the first question? Underline the subject in the following sentences. So they have given us few sentences and we have to underline the subject in it. Can you see the first one has been done as an example. Her own friends had turned against her. Now can you see about whom we are talking? Yes, about her own friends. So what is the subject of this sentence? Her own friends. About what we are talking? Her own friends. Okay students. Now let's see. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. Now can you tell me about what we are talking? Yes, we are talking about the second day's attraction. So what is the subject? The second days. Okay students, now see next one. This is a different one. You remember we had revised that sometimes the subject also comes in the middle. From my school, I will try to borrow. Can you see here? So about whom we are talking? About I, the subject of the sentence. Understood students? It is the person or it is the noun which is doing the action. So I is the subject in this sentence. Next, this trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive. Now can you tell me about whom we are talking? Yes, we are talking about the trip to the moon. This trip to the moon. So what is the subject over here? This trip to the moon is the subject. Now let's go to the next one. The dome-shaped settlements on the moon resembling the igloos of the Eskimos were now visible. Now can you tell me what are we talking about? Of course we are talking about this all. Can you see the dome-shaped settlements on the moon resembling the igloos of the Eskimos? So students, can you see this is a big description about whom we are talking. Okay, so subject over here is very big, but about that only we are talking. So this all will come in subjects. Were now visible. Now can you see were now visible means what? It is action. So it is predicate. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Underline the predicate in the following sentences. The first one has been done as an example. The lion was invited you to live at his court. Now can you see students, can you tell me what is the subject? Yes, I am asking you the subject used here. Yes, can you see the lion is the subject because we are talking about the lion. So what remains now? Has invited you to live at his court. This is the action taking place in the sentence. So this is what? This is the predicate. I hope you would have understood students. It is very easy. Okay students, now let's see the next question. High up in the cooler air flew the vulture. Now can you tell me again? Yes, see here the vulture. About whom we are talking? The vulture. But what we are talking? What action is taking place? The vulture is flying. So see here. High up in the cooler air flew the vulture. So high up in the cooler air flew is what? It is the predicate. Now let's see the next example. So students, number third, he was Mr. Duncan Ross, a representative of the Red-Headed League. Now can you see about whom we are talking? About he. So he is the subject and remaining all is what? It is the predicate. Was Mr. Duncan Ross a representative of the Red-Headed League? Now next see number 4. They would be able to enter the bank without breaking open the doors of the bank. Now can you see about whom we are talking? They. And what we are talking? What is the action taking place? Would be able to enter the bank without breaking open the doors of the bank. Understood, students? So this is what it is, the predicate. Now see the fifth one. Holmes handed over Mr. Clay to the policeman. Now can you see Holmes is what? It is the noun. Okay, so it is what? It is a subject. And what we are talking about? Him, or what is the action taking place? Handed over. Can you see here now? Verb is here. Verb is, the predicate always contains the verb. Handed over Mr. Clay to the policeman. So this is what? It is the predicate. Understood, students? Now students, let's go to the question number 3. Match the subjects with in column A with the correct predicates in column B and rewrite the complete sentences below. The first one has been done as an example. So students, can you see this? All column A is given you, it consists subjects, okay, and this column B, it consists all the predicates. Okay students, now you don't have to differentiate, you don't have to underline. What you have to do, you have to match the correct subject with the appropriate or the correct predicate. Okay students, now see a peacock. Now what subject can match with the peacock, or what action can a peacock do? Let's see. A peacock study in this school. Is it possible a peacock study in this school? No. May strike the earth. Can a peacock, why it will strike the earth? No. Are a nuisance? No. It is one only, a peacock, and here R is given. So this one is completely wrong. Next. A peacock was perched on a coconut tree. Yes, this one is correct. Can you see here? They have already given us. The peacock was perched on a coconut tree. Now let's see the gardener. Next one, the gardener. I hope you all know who is the gardener and what action or what work he is doing. So let's find it out. Study in this school? No, gardener. Okay. May strike the earth? No. Are a nuisance? No. The gardener was perched on a coconut tree? No. The gardener was an enchanted island. How a gardener can be an island? No, wrong. The gardener is given in the form of articles. No, wrong. Next. The gardener likes to see mythological plays. No, why will be he interested in plays? Next. The gardener prepared the formal invitation for the parents. Why he will prepare invitation? No, wrong. Is a useful lump. The gardener is a lump? No. Now let's see the last one. Knows when to water the garden. Yes, it is his work, or it is the action. The gardener knows when to water the garden. So this one is the correct one. Understood, students? So now this way you have to complete all the match the column. Understood, students? Thank you.